Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the file extension problem. You can see that when I try to open one file which was captured in ShareX, I can see that the HEVC video extension is required to play this file, and it asks me to purchase this video extensions, which I don't want to do it. I want to fix it by other way. So close this one now and go to your ShareX, right click on it and go to the task settings, and when your task setting is open, go to the screen recorder and go to the screen recording options, click on it, and you can see under the video encoders, if your video encoder is in other extension, like before it was in H.265, that's why I got this file which need the extension for me to purchase it, so I change it into the H.264 and then close it and record the video. And you can see that this file is the current video which I'm recording right now. Let me stop the recordings and then I will show you to open this file, and you can see after changing the extensions whether this one will open or not. Okay, let's close the recording first. After I close the recording, I got this file, and let's click on it, and you can see that now my video recording is opening. It doesn't need any extension. So this is how you fix the video extension problems. If you have the same problems like me, you can follow the same step and fix it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share. Bye.